Welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Squidward Tentacle from Spongebob Squarepants. Enjoy the draw!
And what could be better than serving up smiles?
Being dead or anything else? And why aren't you in uniform? It's about time you got here!
Hey, Patrick! You all ready for the big night out tonight?
Yeah, it's gonna rock!
Are you ready to go crazy?
I'm already hearing voices!
Are you ready to...
Spongebob, Patrick, do you mind? If you think I'm gonna spend more than 5 minutes on this dumpster, then you're crazy! I mean, look at this place. It's disgusting!
Oh, cheer up, Squid. It could be worse.
Yeah, you could be bald and have a big nose.
Well, this is the end. Another day, another migraine.
On-time percentage, 12%.
Migraine.
You and me, we're like brothers, only closer.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument. Horseradish is not an instrument either. Goodbye.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.